Alright, so for today's video, we're here again in Philippine Navy. So we're playing hole number 1, 471 yards. So playing again with Doy and Andrew. So for this round, yan.
The OGs.
So, ayan si Doy naman. So we're playing stroke play and also putting Olympics. So we just have a one big winner for the stroke play. So I'm giving Doy 4 strokes. Tapos si Andrew naman is giving me 1 stroke. So friendly wager lang, big winner, 100 pesos from each player. Then putting Olympics, 20 pesos per point. Okay, let's see. Comment who you think will be the big winner for today's episode. Okay, good shot, brother. And syempre, walang kupas. Ang kadi kong laging late gumising. Yan, si Wena. Oh, anong oras ka dumating? 5:30. Anong oras na? Akala mo. Ayan, tapos si Brian. And si Dodong. Alright, so for my second shot, I'll just try to do some course management. Medyo been playing bad the past few rounds. So hitting lang a 7-iron. Let's see if I can correct my mistakes dito na sa fairway. Kahapon pa yan.
Nice.
Sama ng tira. Okay, 9-iron lang. Try to go over the bunker na lang. Play it short. Kailangan maiangat. Four, Bryce. Bunker does third shot. Short lang. Okay. I landed in the bunker. Sobrang sama ng laro ko ngayon. Okay. Left with 45 yards to the flag. Kaliwa to wing, di ba? Okay, Mr. Cortez. Chance for 4 points. Ganda. Okay. Mr. Nakita mo na yung sinasabi ko sa Maniro? Okay, Mr. Raimundo. Hindi, parang striking lang. Parang nasa cycle. Lahat, buo. May konti, oh. Okay, Mr. Raimundo. Okay, wala. Pating ano ka na dito, Doy? Pating par. Okay. Okay, Mr. Raimundo for bogey. That was a terrible triple bogey. Tapos Mr. Cortez for 1 point and for par, I think. A double. Good putt. Okay, 1 point. And par. Alright, so hole number 2, 447 yards.
Wow naman. Dito pa si Doy.
Ito na lang muna. Ganda ng flight na yan, ah.
Solid yun ah. Ganda sa ano oh.
Kaya need to take my medicine, need to punch out dito mga 30 or 40 yards, no?
Opo.
With 125 yards to the flag. Hitting my 50-degree wedge. This is to go up and down for par.
Kiklet. Kiklet mo. Kiklet mo.
Mr. Cortez to go up and down for his par. Ganda. Olympics pa. Okay. That might be good for par. Okay, Mr. Raimundo to go up and down for his par. Ako nasa bunker. Yung namalas ka talaga. Mga kanan yun, di ba? Ay, sobra si Doy.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Mr. Raimundo for 3 points and for par. Lakas. I have this putt 7 paces. Medyo mabilis, ano? Okay, we're giving it halos 1 ball to the left. Ay, lumihis sa dulo.
Oo, sayang. Lumaban yung green. May points pa sino.
Okay, that was a terrible double bogey. Mr. Raimundo for bogey. Nice putt. Okay, Andrew for par and for 1 point. To go 2 points sa Olympics. Uy! Na-push! That's good, brother. Alright, so hole number 3. From the previous hole, I double bogeyed. Si Doy bogeyed at saka si Andrew. Current Olympic points, 1 point lang si Andrew. Then, playing 180 yards. Ganda.
Go pa, go!
Pero bola, okay?
Nice shot. Come on.
First yan. Okay, everyone is still outside of the green. So, we are all Olympians from Parañaque, from Pasig, ako din from Makati. So, everyone chance for 5 points. So, Andrew, around 25 yards to the flag. To the pin. Ay! Ganda? Okay, buti hindi na hole out. Okay. Ano to? Right to left?
Opo. Kung may bilog yan, sir, yung guhit lang.
Nice.
Okay, naka-par din. Yeah. 2 points pa ako. 3 points pa si Doy.
Mama! Bilis eh.
1 point. Lakas.
Puti ko na naman oh.
Kailangan yata may karga eh. Or with relatives. Improving my...
Wow!
May point ba? Oh, may point ka. 1. 1.
2 points yun, no? 2.
Tama to. 2, sorry. So, 2 si Doy, 1 ka ako, 0.
1 ka rin.
Ay, 1 na rin pala ako. Yehey, 2-1-1. Buti na lang maganda memory na ito ni Doy. Ni Doy, ni Drew. Okay, hole number 4. 324 yards. Para lang magamit.
Hindi, ano, layo eh. Okay lang.
Kanan.
Nice shot. Oo.
Nice
Hindi,
shot.
open naman.
Ay, doon din.
Okay lang. Same lang tayo.
Okay. So may card pot. Buti na lang GR landed sa GR 132 yards to the flag. Hitting my 50-degree wedge. Go! Big bang.
Ano yan?
Uy!
Uy!
Sumaan na sipa.
Kaliwa lang ng dahon, sir. Ha? Nahulog din.
Okay, Mr. Cortez for birdie and 3 points. Grabe yun! Nice bird. And 3 points. Okay, good putt.
Lalabas pa. Kaya nga eh.
Okay, par? Par ka, Doy? Bogey. So, hole number 5. playing 115 yards, hitting a 50-degree wedge. Kaliwa lang.
Ano shot?
Ay, kaliwa lang doon. Pero pato mo nga yata.
Oh, ayun na nga. Ay. Diretso.
Go.
Diretso sa flagstick.
Ay,
Short din.
karma. Okay, Doy, to get out of the bunker, to go up and down for par. Magbago kanina ang galing sa bunker. Itong bunker. Okay. Andrew for birdie and 3 points. Bumali. Pasok na naman. Back-to-back birdie. What a bird! 3 points pa. So, baliktad buena. Sabagay, baku-baku naman din talaga. Si Andrew lang magaling. Nice number 6. Oh, back-to-back birdie. 343. Dog leg left. Tinatambakan na ako. Cut! Cut! Or carry mo na lang.
Right.
Kanan lang na konti.
Wow.
Ay, nag-cut sa
Ay,
tulo.
sayang.
Wala sa puno balik.
Ay, kaliwa lang. Okay. Okay, left with 110 yards to the flag. I'm hitting a choke down 56-degree wedge. Left right to, di ba?
Opo.
Sa letter S.
Opo.
Bite. Bite!
Bite.
Baba eh. Alright, so I'll take this opportunity na rin siguro to share with you guys what my mindset is, no, pag ganito kasama na yung round ko or yung laro ko. Yun yung one mistake siguro, or one thing na sasuggest ko sa inyo na don't copy with me. Kasi ako, pag ganito masama laro ko, I don't really correct it sa driving range. I correct it here in the fairway. So, yan. So, suggestion ko, huwag yung gagayahin yun. Pero the mindset is kasi, sometimes, you can't help it, you'll be frustrated. Pero, that's really golf. Try to have fun pa rin. Try to find out, kasi ako naman, at least I have videos. I can see what my mistakes are. Pero the challenge is, it's more of the mental game. No? Having no confidence now. Pero alam ko, babalik at babalik din yan. Just stick to the routine, stick to what you know, then hopefully bumalik yung laro. So let's see, currently I'm 7 over. Mindset is try to still break 80. So subok yan, maaga pa naman. Okay, just went over, carried sa may pin na kasi, right to left mga 10 yards.
May bilog sa loob lang.
Okay.
Tama na.
Andrew for another 3 points.
3 points na naman!
Okay, Mr. Raimundo for 2 points. And for par yan, Doy? And for par. Ako for 1 point and for par.
Wow!
Samahan ng ugali.
Yabang.
Par.
Left inside.
Par tapos 2 points pa. 2 points. 7 na.
Okay lang. Okay lang naman.
Nice spot.
Okay naman. Sana ganyan yung buo. Good putt. Par?
Bogey.
Bogey. Okay. Alright, so hole number 7, 327 yards. So for putting Olympics, Doy and Andrew are tied at 7 points. I'm at 3. Sa stroke, Drew, ilang ka na? 3 pa rin.
3 over.
3. kanan lang.
I-click mo ulit.
Ganda. Okay lang yan. GR naman yata dun.
Wow. Goal shot.
Galing mo ni Sir D eh. Papakatong pa yan.
Short lang ng konti. Eh, parang
Oo,
pumatong.
yan.
Talaga?
Parang either pasang or sa free. Okay, so left with 115 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge to go up and down, hopefully for birdie.
Go! Bounce mo. Bounce mo.
Sumana naman.
Patong.
Ayun, patong. Parang sa may fringe. Okay, Mr. Cortez. Around 100 yards. Ay, medyo na bola. Olympian din. Little over lang. Mr. Raimundo and I are Olympians. Nasa may fringe lang. Then, si Andrew's already putting, most likely for 3 points already. Ang bigay mo dyan? Lagi tayong short dito eh, di ba? Good shot, Doy. Good try. Okay, that is where I should... Diyan ko rin ilaland? Hindi. Okay, mabagal to eh. Uphill. Ang hina, Luigi.
Kumagat.
For birdie na naman siya. Ay, ganda. Hey, Mr. Raimundo for 1 point and for par. Nice putt. Alright, hole number 8. Also, I'm 8 over. Tapos sa Olympics, Doy is leading 8. Drew is second with 7 ako with. Sino ba ako? 3.
Naku, bunker. Ay, short.
Kung mag-carry yan sa green, maganda yan. Short din.
Huwag ka lang mag-bunker.
Landed right off the fairway. Left with 20 yards. Try to nip a 60-degree wedge. A little over a grip sa right.
Bite.
Okay, everyone is putting for par. Drew is putting for 3 points. Si Doy is putting for 2. Ako for 1 point. Everyone for par. I have this 3 paces. 1 left to right. 3 points na naman! Uy, nag-lip out. Buti nila. Buti lang for us. Sayang. Okay. Uy!
Hi!
Hati-hati lang. Okay, everybody made bogey. Hole number 9. 511 yards. Currently 9 over. Doy is at 6. Andrew is at 4. 4 over ka, Doy, Drew, no? 4, okay. 4, 6, 9. Okay. Ganda.
Ganda naman nun. I like that. Ganda din.
Sana FOMO ako.
Uy! Ay, shot. Pangit nga eh.
Okay. Still hitting a 3-wood. Hopefully it doesn't hit the tree. Bahala na. Mababa naman to kasi pababa. Ay, hindi nag-fade. Secret.
Tsaka lang.
Okay, I'm left with 70 yards to go up and down for my par. left to right. Hindi naman yata in play tong puno na to. Okay, so let's see. I needed to hit it high.
Tatong.
Okay, Mr. Raimundo with 40 yards to the flag to go up and down for birdie. And if for par pala. Sobrang kaliwa lang. Okay, for 3 points. Pating par ka rin dyan, Doy? Okay, Mr. Raimundo for 3 points. Ako for 2 points and 4 par. Si Andrew, pating birdie na naman and for 1 point. Hina din. Baliktad. Birdie na naman siya. Wow! Tatlo na! Alam ko rin na hindi ko nagagamitan ng left din. Guy putt. Nice putt. So okay, hole number 10. I'm already 10 over. Subukan ko kumabol. It's playing 110 yards. 110, 140. Hitting either a 9 or a pitching wedge. 9 iron. Hitting a 9 iron.
Kiklit mo. Go! Ay, bunker.
Galing naman nun. Ang galing naman nun, sir. Paki-out na rin yung...
Ito yung pin sa kanan, ha? Mukha ring pin yung sa kaliwa, eh. Yun ang maganda. Malakas lang ng... Okay, everyone putting for par. 3 points si Andrew. Ako for 2 points. Si Doy for 1. Okay na, Andrew?
Oo.
2 and par. Finally, ako naman ako nagkaroon ng points sa Olympics. So it's now 8:85. Still currently 10 over. Hole number 11, 295 yards. I think medyo may na-realize yata ako sa swing ko what's wrong. Tingnan natin. Hole number 6. I'm still currently 10 over. Drew is... Ilang over na kayo?
So, plus 10 daw si
5. Ano? Saan?
Ilan ang plus ko? 4 over.
Saan?
Sa total.
3. Ay, 4.
Sa'yo.
Ah,
So, ibig sabihin 5 sa akin.
13 siya eh.
So 5.
Oh, 5. 3 strokes. May 3 strokes ako hinahabol. Good shot, brother.
Shot. Brother. Ganda. That's the one. That is the one. Crispy.
It's been a while since I felt hitting the sweet spot at saka crispy. Left with 120 yards to the flag. I'm hitting a 50-degree wedge. So let's see if nahanap ko na nga talaga. Or
Kasi magtalbog yung green, di ba?
ay, nag-cut lang.
Bye.
Ay!
Ganun.
Just outside of the green, right to left. Si Doy na sumabit. Okay, mga 8 yards. Ay, ang dapat di natin pinabike. Doy potentially for 4 points. Tapos Andrew is putting for... Drew, putting par ka rin, no, brother? May press kami putting par. Okay. Two.
Nice spot.
3 points.
8. Uy, malakas. Take it. 9.
Good one.
Thank you. 1 point.
Alright, so hole number 12. So Olympics, Drew is now still leading at 9. Tapos tied na kami ni Doy ng 8-8. Go. Patong yan. Patong yan. Good shot, brother.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Hole in one mo na. Hole in one mo na. Go! Ay!
Pumasok ba?
Parang...
Okay, Doy to go up and down for his bogey. Tapos kami ni Andrew, we're both putting for birdie. I have that 9 paces.
Yun! Go pa!
Olympian! O, 3 points.
3 points.
1 point. 1 point pa yung akin. Okay. Firm lang. Mabagal sa regular. 3 points pa. Layo. For bird.
Kabig ko.
Kabig. That's good. Ay, mahina. Good putt. Alright, so hole number 13. No movement sa Olympics. Si Doy made double bogey. Kami ni Andrew made par. So I'm still 10 over. Baba lang ah. Pero layo yan. Matalbog na ngayon eh. Layo, brother. Over the bunker. Good shot.
Fairway finder.
Fairway tita.
Fairway tita. Shout out Fairway tita. Woo! Oo nga. Nice shot.
Sayang, nag-fade ng konti. I will go for it sana. Pero just punching out with a 7 iron lang. Need to take my medicine.
Ay!
Okay, try to go over it. 99 yards to the flag. Left to right. Subok. Baba! Okay, Olympian. Oo nga, nahanap ko na yung swing ko. Alam ko na yung mali. Kadi ko. Okay, best chance to get points. This is potentially for 5. Si Doy then is outside. I have 11 paces. Potentially for birdie. Pag ka pumasok. Okay. This is... Okay. Tapos, plus 1, minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. For birdie. Potentially points.
Pas yan.
Bilis! Akala ko mabagal. Akala ko masya-short ka. Good putt, brother. Good pace.
Kulang.
Ay, di bumaba doon. Okay, what a terrible attempt. Okay. May mabilis na.
Ito ang mabilis na.
Kulang. Lumay.
Malaki yung ano, no? Anong break?
Dapat kung hindi ko siguro tinaw. When it rains, it pours. Okay, Mr. Cortez for bogey. Ay, lumaylay. Okay, hole 14, 510. Hindi, alam mo bakit? Ang layo kasi ng first putt mo. Mahirap talaga din.
Tsaka yung ano dapat nag-over. Nice shot.
Good shot, brother.
May time din na ganyan ako sa bro. It just so...
Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Dito back tee, brother. Uy! Uy, kabig!
Yun ulit. Nice shot.
Okay, para may tinry ako sa palo eh, kung nakuha ko na. Masyado kong pinanggigilan. So, pulled it. So, I'm just laying up with the 7 iron.
Balik.
Wrong decision. Dapat pala hybrid nga. Okay, 5 iron. Wala na yung tao, nakita ko.
Yan, baba.
Okay, try to go over the tree. Bahala na si Batman. Oy! Sayang! 4 points! Sayang. Okay, okay. What a shot by Batman. Dumikit. Hindi pa na-shoot, sayang. Okay, at least par. Sayang, hole out birdie sana. Okay, I think that's good for 1 point. Sayang, lapit. Sayang, okay. At least 1 point, okay na to? Okay, Mr. Cortez. I think for birdie. Bumali sa dulo. That's good. Par? Good par, brother. Eh, sinut nga!
Pasok nga! Uy! Akala ko shoot.
Okay, for 2 points yan, Doy. Good putt. Okay, 2 points. Ilang kayo sa stroke? Okay, hole number 15, 442 yards. So, putting Olympics, Doy is now leading. 10 points. Tapos kaming dalawa ni Andrew, 9. Naku. Okay lang, 3-shot hole. Ayan, maganda. Favor, brother.
Nice shot. Perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Okay, for my second shot, Tamon Luigi, 136 yards. Hitting pitching wedge. O tingin mo 50 lang.
Pitching wedge.
Pitching na, no? Okay.
Nice shot. Eagle yan.
Two. Right.
Good shot.
Sana easy birdie. Okay, Mr. Raimundo, potentially for 4 points. The Olympian from Pasig.
Ay, galing mo.
Baba.
Nag-bite.
Ay! Short.
Nag-bite dun sa ano.
Mr. Cortez for 3 points and birdie. Ako putting for eagle and 2 points. Pero kailangan ko lang ito idikit. Ang hirap i-shoot na ito. Layo. Downhill, side hill. 13 paces. Ganda yata yan ah. Hindi sobrang bilis. Mabilis pero hindi sobra. Tsaka hindi rin masyado bumali, ano? Halos lagpas lang doon sa linyang puti. Kung 13, minus 1 lang, minus 2. Pwedeng minus 1. Yung damo rin kasi, ano? Ay, kinain. Pwede tayong nice spot. Medyo nag-doubt ng kon. So, putting Olympics, there's no movement. Hole number 16, it's playing 107 yards pero it's against the wind.
Hole in one mo.
Kulang na sa fade. No short?
Yun, solid.
Doy!
Pwede yan.
May chance nga. Over. Hindi.
Sakto.
Go! Ay! Hoy! Sayang! Ang ganda ng linya! Shot, brother. Sayang.
Si Weng kasi sabi.
Lagay niya itong nanel.
Mr. Cortez. Potentially for 4 points. Mabagal din yun. Mabagal din yung sa harap ng harap natin. Okay. Okay, so I have this chip. 13 paces. Alam ko na nung left to right to. Medyo slow kasi it's uphill. I'm giving it parang left pa of the gimme range.
Go!
1 point na. Pero parang iba yung tunog niya, hindi ko nakukuha sa ilan. Okay, Mr. Raimundo for birdie and 3 points. 3 points! 13 points. Tapos si Andrew for 2. Ako for 1. Kulang. Binawasan ko. Okay, hole 17. 180 yards. Hitting a 6 iron. Kaliwa lang. Bunker.
Ang ganda ng buha.
Ganda. Ay, parang short pa rin.
Naku, bunker ka na naman, Doy. Uy, ang ganda.
Diretso.
Parang bunker nga, Luis. Or lampas. Over, grabe. Over club.
Ano ginamit mo, sir?
Sobra ka nga.
Andrew with a 3-shot hole to go up and down for his par. Ganda, brother. Lupit talaga. Alam niyo na kung bakit idol ang tawag ko sa kanya. Okay, I have 30 yards to the pin. So tirang mga 20. Dapat sa may fringe lang ang bagsak, ano? Tapos left to right. Mabilis. Nay, ba't ko pa minuli? Ganun din.
Boom, save, boom.
Okay, last hole, 18, 380, laying up. My first layup. So currently, I am, ilang over na ba ako? I am 12 over. Andrew is 8. Doy, ilang over ka? 18? Pero okay na ako, happy na ako na nalaman ko. 4. Nakuha ko na tayo. Andrew is making it interesting. Unfortunately, tumama siya sa doon. So it's either he's playing it or taking a drop. Ako, I'm hitting 230 yards. I'm hitting a hybrid. Sige na, kailangan. Need to be clutch o hybrid. Oy! Andrew's third shot. Naku. Oh, making it interesting, ah. Making it interesting. Hindi natin isasama yung 3 wood na yun sa video mo.
Ayun man. Yun pa naman yung sinabi ko.
Sinasabi mo sometimes we're in a okay, it suddenly got interesting. Si Andrew is now playing his 5th shot. Si Doy is in the bunker. Ako I might be right off the green, pero trying to go up and down for a par. So comment what do you think will happen dito sa last round. I'm trying to catch up. 3 strokes ang hinahabol ko kay Andrew. Tapos I have a 2-shot lead kay Doy. Pero currently Doy is in the bunker. Andrew, uy, hala. Okay, Doy has been in the bunker again, parang multiple times dito sa round na to. One of the more difficult shots in golf. Nabola din. Over din. Okay, come on Luigi, what are you made of? 20 yards to the flag. Okay, this is just to go up and down for par. May chance pa tayo ba? Mas make ka, Drew. For double, di ba? For double bogey. Mas make, tapos dapat hindi ko ma-shoot.
Grabe, ganun.
One stroke. Kasi 3 strokes ka eh. Putting par, putting double ka. Pitch one putt, I make it tie. Andrew potentially for 4 points. This is for his double bogey already. Clutch jeans! Ay! Hold out for the vlog.
So,
Okay.
mas make ako.
Mas make ka for 7. If I make it, tie tayo.
Okay.
If I make this. If I make this putt.
Ayos yun. Okay pa yung content natin
Okay, si Doy putting for 3 points. Ako putting for 2 points and par. So I need to make this. If Andrew makes it, tie pa kami. Paano pala pag tie? Wala. Mas make pa ako. Mas make. Okay. Okay na. Basta maayos.
Grabe naman yung...
Parang maliit lang sa kanan tingin ko. Na firm. Ha? Talaga? Hindi ko kailangan ilabas yan? Right inside? O hati-hati? Hindi kaya yung damo dito sa harap? Ayun, natin naman yung damo sa harap. Hati-hati ko. Ha? Sige.
Mataas na sa kanila eh.
Okay, sige. Kay Weng magtiwala.
Ayun ang sisi.
Kuha, 3 points na naman! Firm no way.
Hapo.
Wow! Huwag pa na linya, bro.
Pag na-shoot ni Drew, tie lang. Yun na, hindi ko pa alam. Tama. Nice putt. Naganda pa.
Nag-tie pa.
Nag-tie pa. Good run, brother. Nice shot.